In this video, you'll learn how to use WordPress on Namecheap in just a few minutes, so you can start building, customizing, and managing your website like a pro. First, go to Namecheap.com and sign into your account. Open your hosting dashboard, locate your domain with WordPress installed, and access your WordPress admin panel by visiting your domain.com/wp-admin in your browser. Next, log in with the username and password you created during installation. Once you're in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard where you can manage every aspect of your website from a single, organized place. Now, choose a theme for your site. Go to Appearance, then Themes, and click Add New to browse thousands of free designs. Pick one that matches your style, install it, and click Activate to apply it. After that, install essential plugins to extend your site's functionality. Go to Plugins, then Add New, and search for tools like Yoast SEO, Elementor, and WooCommerce to add features like SEO, page building, and e-commerce. Once your design and plugins are ready, start adding content. Go to Posts or Pages, click Add New, and use the WordPress editor to create blog posts, landing pages, or anything else your site needs. And that's it. You now know how to use WordPress on Namecheap to build a powerful, professional website with ease.